Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to do elevation profile in QGIS. So we have a Cartosat Dam image. Before going to elevation profile, we need one plugin, that is Profile Tools. So for that, click in this plugin option and click on manage and install plugin, and here search Profile Tools. So when you search Profile Tools, you can see this plugin option. Select this and install this plugin. I have already installed this plugin.
Installed.
So close this. If you click this plugin, you can see in the lower portion Profile Tools. Okay, you can see that in this dam map, the lowest elevation is 185 meter, whereas highest elevation is 994 meter. So if you want to see the elevation map of this dam image, click here, go to properties, and within the symbology select this single band pseudo color, and from the drop down menu click here, go to create new color ramp, and here select catalog city, and then OK. And within the topography you can select the elevation, then OK, apply, and here you should select the equal interval or quantile and increase the number of classes. Okay, then click on apply and OK. So now you can see here the elevation map. If you extend this, you can see the darker brown color shows the higher elevation, where the sky color showing the lower elevation. We can again change the color composition of elevation map. Again go to this drop down menu, create new color ramp, select catalog city, OK, and you can select this top of the planet color, and you can select BCYR, then OK, apply and OK. So you can easily see the red portion shows higher elevation and the blue portion shows the lower elevation. So this is a one kind of elevation map. If you want to change the elevation map according to hill shade, so for that go to symbology and select this hill shade, and you can give jet factor as a 10 and apply and OK. So now you can see the only hill shade of the dam image. Okay, only hill shade you can see. So if you want to change the color of hill shade, you can do, click on here, go to properties, in the here you can select this colorized, just click on here checkbox, and you can simply click on apply. So you can see the color of hill shade changes. You can also change the color. You can take any one color from here, as well as the strength, reduce and increase, then apply and OK. So any kind of color you can select. Okay, so after that, now I want to do the elevation profile within this dam image. For that we should open this profile tool. Just click on plugin option and you can see the profile tools. Within this, click the terrain profile. So you can see the two interface. First one is the DEM image. You can decrease or increase this, and second one is the profile. So within this profile tools, you can see the writer portion, add layer. So just click this add layer. So whatever in the layer panel, the DEM image will be selected automatically here. Okay, after then you should select here height, profile or slope. So at first we want to show the profile map on the basis of height.
After that, what happened?
So now you should select the area, profile area. So I want to do profile length from here to here. So you can see here the profile, elevation profile of the selected line. Okay, you can also change whatever you need from here to there. Okay, you can see here the profile of the selected elevation line. Okay, this shows the height as a meter, and this also shows the kilometer. And you can change the color of your profile line by clicking here. You can select any color from the color palette. Okay, any kind of color you can select from here. You can also change the properties. You can select height, slope or percentage or degree. If you click on this slope percentage, you can see the profile. You can also increase the profile, or you can select the height. Okay, and if you want to save this profile, you can see here the image type: PNG, SVG, DXF and DXF. So I want to save this image as a PNG file, and you can see here the save as. You can click here and have to save this. So I want to save this as a profile and click the save option. So after that you can open this. So click here this profile, and this file type is PNG. And here you can see the profile, elevation profile of the selected area. So you can see the profile of the selected area. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel for more video.